Hello everyone, in front of me is TECNO Camon 18 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this phone. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System and click on Backup to Google Drive. So at first you need to add your Google account. However, if you already logged in with your Google account, it will be uploaded automatically. But as you can see, I haven't done it yet, so let's do it right now all together. At first you need to provide your email address, and mark next. It's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is done, tap on next. And then you need to mark if this device belongs to you or your kid. Let me tap there, it's my phone, and just go through all the agreement stuff, and that's it. Now you just have to click on turn on and Google Backup is active. You can backup all data right now by tapping on backup now and then confirm it, and if you will not do it, it will be backup automatically over Wi-Fi. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.